Stuck with a dead car battery and no one around to help? What if a single pocket-sized device could get your car running in seconds? Today, we're taking a closer look at the BuTure VAC Beta07 to see if it's really the ultimate jump starter for emergencies. About the product. This super safe lithium battery jump starter highlights 10 premium functions, but is more portable, transcending the general car starter jump box. It's a car jumper starter, portable tire pump, pressure gauge, portable power bank, PD 45 watts fast charging, 4-mode lights, flashlight, strobe, warning, SOS, and also emergency insulated gloves. Portable, versatile, and must-have professional road trip kit for outdoors or emergencies. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the BuTure VAC Beta07 battery clamps, USB-A to USB Type-C cable, carrying bag, user manual, product description, power button, inflation button, air pressure increase button, inflation mode switch button, pressure unit switch button, air pressure reduction button, boost button, jump start port, USB output 1, 18 watts, USB output 2, 18 watts, USB Type-C input or output, power delivery 45 watts max, air hose interface, LED light. How to use. Fully insert the smart battery clamps into the jump starter's 12-volt port. Connect the red clamp to the battery's positive terminal and the black clamp to the battery's negative terminal. Start your engine and remove the clamps from the battery. How to recharge. To charge the jump starter, connect the included charging cables USB Type-C to the device's charging port and the cables USB Type-A to the power source. The power source can be any USB source, like 5-volt wall chargers, car chargers, etc. Specifications. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.